Alright, I'm going to start off with my primer that I always use, and I'm going to squeeze that last little bit out of that bad boy. And then just apply it all over my face liberally. Don't be shy with this. It rubs in pretty nicely. Then I'm taking my foundation, which is actually from NARS, and a beauty blender, and I just put random spots all over my face. It makes the blending a little bit easier. And then I just blend it all over, including across my lips, because my lips are pigmented and I don't always want them to show. So anyway, just keep blending until the cows come home. Then I'm going to fill in my brows with this Anastasia brow pencil. All products will of course be listed down below, but I do this in short strokes to make it essentially look like hairs still. I start filling out the bottom first just to kind of give me a guideline for where I want to go, following my natural brow of course. And then I just fill it in very, very carefully because I'm anal about my brows. And to make them even more perfect, I'm going to essentially use my concealer to get any parts that I feel like were a little bit uneven and just kind of clean them up so that they look a little bit more precise. Then I'm going to take my favorite eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay, put that on my lids, and then blend it in with my ring finger. Be sure to use your ring finger because it's a lot more gentle, and that skin around your eyes is very thin, and we don't want baggy, saggy, black eyes, honey. Alright, now don't judge me. I'm going to use some tape to make my line very precise when I have my eyeshadow. That's how I get that cat eyeliner without having to worry about it. And the eyeshadow as well. Alright, so then this eyeshadow is from Urban Decay, and it's a pretty pink color, and I love it. And it is buildable to make it as bright as you want it to. So just pack it on your brush and then pat it on. And then I'm going to take my Sigma blending brush and that Bobbi Brown palette that I am in love with right now, and then use that light brown color and go all through my crease because it's going to be a good transition color when I fade out this dark brown color that is right here in this Bobbi Brown palette. Now that you're going to kind of try to pack into the outer view of your eyes and then blend out. So pack first and then blend, and do this in steps so that you don't put too much product on your eye in the first stroke. Now I'm going to use this liquid eyeliner. I have switched to the brush type of eyeliner just because it gives me a little bit more precise of a wing. The felt tips don't necessarily get you that. There are a few out there that can do that for you, but for now I'm just going to use the liquid. So I use my eyeshadow the way that it was with the tape, and I use that as kind of like a guideline. And now I'm taking this NYX Jumbo pencil, and this is like a bright green color, and what it's really going to do is help really make the color pop that I put underneath of my eyes, which is like a brown, oh excuse me, like a green from Urban Decay. But first I decided to line my waterline and put some mascara on because that part I always struggle with. And of course, no look is complete without falsies. I use my tweezers to put mine on, but you guys can do whatever works best for you. But then after some contouring and some blush, I'm going to take my concealer, which I should have done first, so don't mind me. I'm going to take some concealer and get those dark circles from under my eyes. Now, if you know how to do that, then you can do it in any order you want to, but I would prefer that you do your concealer first. So now I'm putting my lip on, and this is a liquid lipstick from Stila, and it stays like literally all day. It's called Stay All Day. But this is the color you come up with, and I love this look for Thanksgiving, going out, hanging with your friends, whatever it is that you want to do. So if you guys have any questions or comments, leave it down below, and of course, I'll see you in the next video. Happy holidays! Be sure you leave in the comments down below what your plans are for this holiday season.